I'm Charles Strider, I'm 23. I originally come from the Malvern Hills area, but I've been living in Bridgend for the past 2 years. Well, for the past 4 years since leaving college, I've had various experience on set, from independent to high-end, but it was very odd jobs and it was very infrequent. I was lucky enough to attend a job fair in Wales where they told me about this brilliant opportunity, and looking into it, I just saw what was being offered in terms of consistent placements and training that you're not necessarily going to get on set by just jumping into a job, that I just thought it was so valuable I couldn't resist or pass up on applying. In 5 years' time, I definitely hope to be working within the art department. I'm still looking to explore, but it'd be great to be continuing working in Wales and continue developing these talents and working in high-end period pieces and even modern dramas, just getting to work on as much of the practical and props and the look of everything is really fascinating to me.